Hi, congrats my friend by clicking the link. Okay, so you really want to know how I earned $804 and how I cash out 400 thanks to PACADS. Okay, the proof right now, my proof of earnings. Okay, so check it. Okay, so let's see our dashboard. Okay, so it is right now February the 11th. Okay, I have in the matrix cycler system, and I will explain to you after my proof of earnings what is PACADS exactly. My number of position of $5, okay, that I am earning regularly, and I will explain to you how. Okay, my total earns, okay, $808 accumulated earnings till the last reset. Okay, and how I cashed out exactly. Okay, so I will show you right now. It is one of the panel of the dashboard. I will show you exactly my withdrawal. Okay, the last payment that I received thanks to PACADS. Okay, so $22.31.58. okay, details here. Okay, so you can notice that it is received exactly in my Ethereum address, because in PACADS you can receive money to your PAYZA wallet, Ethereum or Litecoin wallet. Okay, we don't use Bitcoin because the fees are too high. Okay, so the owner Shakil Baba has decided to stop the payment and the withdrawal with Bitcoin. Okay, so another proof is my email with coin payments. Okay, from PACADS. Okay, so I received it to my Ethereum address. Okay, so everything is totally clear here. Okay, I am paid every time I ask a withdrawal. Okay, if I want to ask a withdrawal money here, I just have to click here. Okay, so now what is exactly PACADS? PACADS is an advertising company. Okay, an advertising platform. We are already 5,520 members for the moment. We have cash out 14,000, more than $14,000, and it has been launched at June. Okay, so we have more than 6 months of existence online. Okay, and we have also our own crypto currency, Litecoin. Okay, you can check it right now by clicking here. Okay, we are listed in CoinMarketCap. Okay, the proof is totally here. Okay, so we own our cryptocurrency. Okay, what is exactly the aim of PACADS? We are an advertising company, so we offer advertising banners. We offer text ads, traffic exchange for every member who join PACADS. You just have to pay $5, okay, and automatically you enter into our matrix system, okay, called junior phase. And what is junior phase? It is the possibility for you to invest your $5 to receive advertising. Okay, you can promote your own opportunity or own website thanks to us. Okay, and in the same time we have a matching system where you can earn more than $100. What does it mean? It means that every time you buy a position, an advertising package, okay, the next position, the next person who buy a package is placed after you in the big system, in the big matrix system. Okay, so you are here, for example, okay, and every person placed under you on 4 levels will make you earn $1. Okay, we have to also the possibility to recruit people, recruit your friends, your every person who want to go and come join us, and can buy a position of $5. All right. So to earn this $100, you need 120% under you. Every time you earn $30, you have to pay $7 to buy a new position. It is also membership fees, but don't worry, because you can cash out at $20. Okay, you can when you start to earn and reach, for example, level 2, sorry, you will earn more than $27, and you can cash out and use the money that you have earned to pay the membership fee. Okay, and this membership fee allows you to earn a new position in the system. That's why this system is unique, because it will never stop. Every time we'll make money continuously. Okay, I already have more than 360 referrals who are trusting me, who have joined me. Okay, and if you promote 2, you will earn up to $25. Okay, $25 when your referral will reach the cycle at the 4 level here. Okay, so this system is awesome, because we just need more and more members. We have external sources of income thanks to PAYZA, because Shakil Babar, the owner of all this system, is offering free position to new members regularly. Okay, we have other rewards for the person who promote, for the person who are ready to support us. Okay, so it is very easy for you to make money if you are patient, because we need more members to offer the opportunity to earn $100 per week. For example, we are now, as I told you, 5,400 people, but when will be 10,000, it will be awesome, because every position will cycle very fast. Every member will make money faster. Okay, and I suggest you right now to join, because there is lots of opportunities offered by Shakil Babar, by PACADS and Bitcoin. So if you have question, feel free to ask me, of course. Okay, so what else can I say right now is to join us, to click the link below to join our official Facebook group. Okay, and to buy a position as soon as possible, because we are all making money. I suggest you really to study this opportunity, to join our Facebook group, to check that everything is clear. Okay, we are not a Ponzi scheme, we are not here to scam you. You are just we just want to make everybody earn online, thanks to our opportunity, thanks to the cryptocurrency. Okay, we have lots of opportunity for you very soon. We are building a big community of thousands of members, day after day, weeks after weeks, and if you want to join us, you are welcome. Okay, so that's it for me. All right, so feel free to ask me any question if you want, and I hope to see you very soon on our Facebook group. Okay, see you. Bye bye.